good news about Jesus as come to Luke chapter 14 from verse 25 to verse 35. What cause for be one of Jesus follower them? One big crowd did a walk with Jesus. Him turn to them and say, if somebody come to me and no love me more than how them love them father, mother, wife and picnic, brother and sister, even them own life, them can't follow me. Anybody when no carry him cross and come with me can't turn one of my follower them. Suppose one of you want to build one tower. You know, we sit down first and check out how much it will cost you, so you will know if you have enough money to build it. If you build the foundation and can't don't build the tower, everybody will see it and go laugh after you. They will say, you start build, but you can't done it. Suppose one king want to go war against another king. Him not go sit down first and think if him 10,000 man can go against 20,000. If he can't win, when the other king still there far from him will send messenger to find out how them can make peace. So, if you not give up everything, you can't turn one of my follower them. Salt good. But if the taste gone, how it fit taste back like salt? It not good for the soil or the manure pile neither. It fit dash way. If you have ears for hear what me I say. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.